Hi guys, it's Moz here for Moz6510 Models. On the workbench today, I have this brand new tooled RAF Red Arrows Hawk in 1:72 scale. This is what they now class as a small starter kit. So with all starter kits, you got a model, you get the paint, you get the glue, and you get the brush. But this one's a little bit different. Now, normally, which is what Dominator 675 Models, go and check his channel out, has said to me that it's nice that Airfix are actually bringing out a kit that's actually designed for a starter, for a beginner. That's what it is, it's for a beginner. Normally, you get a vintage classic, like a Jag or something, and they put the old tooling or the old mode in a box, add some paints, add some glue, and they call it a starter set, when really it can be off-putting sometimes when you've really got to work hard to get a decent finish on a model. Now, normally when we talk about the Hawk, we got this one here. Sorry, it's missing the canopy. This is one that I built many moons ago, and I can't find the canopy to it. But, you know, this is a 2008 tooling, and they re-released it year after year after year with a different scheme. This is this scheme here. I remember doing that on the bottom, and I'll tell you, trying to get that flat was an absolute nightmare. Honestly, it was a cock. That's what I can describe it as. But yeah, so this is one version of the Hawk. This one here has only 24 pieces, if I look right. Yeah, 24 pieces in this one. So let's have a talk about it. You know, this one here, you got lovely box art on the front there. You've got the planes there shooting across with the tail smoke there. These also come with a stand. There's a silhouette of the plane. Quite a nice touch. Airfix, lovely touch. On the back of the box, you have a call out there, basically saying the actual size is 155 millimeters in length, and the wingspan is 131, as again, pieces is 24. So yeah, you've got 8 decals to fit on here. Is it 8? No, maybe more. Just counting them out, or maybe there's 12 sets of decals. And then you come with the paints on the back. You get the 33, the 34, which is white, 64, which is your silver grey, and your 238, which is the colour of the RAF. These are going to be your decals there, and they shouldn't be too difficult to put on. You know, they do take a bit of work, but hopefully they'll explain how to do it in the instructions. So yeah, that's it. You also get a flying hour there. So if you're a member of the club, you get a flying hour, and apparently there should be an anti-counterfeit label there, but obviously they've just stuck it on the back on this one. So that's basically it. The code for this one is A55002. That's A55002. And the rate retail at £9.99. Before we open the box, I'd just like to say that only 10% of the people who watch this channel are subscribers, and it would really help the channel if you could just subscribe and ring that bell to be notified when I put out a new video. And remember, to subscribe to this channel is free. Right, that's out the way. Let's look inside the box. So inside the box there are your paints, there's your glue, and there is also a brush as well, which is a Umbro Airfix brush. Nothing too fancy with it, but that's basically there for painting, not for gluing. We have the instructions. You also have a small decal sheet. Let's just get this out. A small decal sheet there. Can you see that? Perfect. Nice crisp decals, because they are cartograph decals as well. I think that's one of the best investments they ever did, Airfix, or decisions I should say. Decisions I should say that they went to decal to get the decals done. They went to cartograph. They're fantastic. Nice little sheet there. Inside you have instructions, and with this one here, let's move the kit to one side. You have an actual step-by-step guide. Look at this. Before you start, they are suggesting you get a nail file, tweezers, some scissors, some clippers, drill, tape, and a peg. There you go, and it goes step by step. Number 1, wash all parts with soapy water. Number 2, look for frame letters and part numbers. Number 3, use clippers to remove parts from frames. Paint small parts on the frame, allow time to dry, cut out each decal with scissors, etc, etc. I'm just going to go on, it's going to go on, you see what I mean? But what a brilliant add-on. The only thing I'll suggest is they need to say, stir the paint and give like a consistency of, say, like 1 part water to 2 parts paint. You know, tell them to thin it down and not to do it too thickly. That's the only thing I'm going to say on that. But brilliant. Well done, Airfix, for that. A before you start guide. Fantastic. So the instructions, without the way. There we go. So nice colour. This is brilliant. Wow. Look at these instructions. Woohoo. Look at this. So, practice assembling each part while looking at the drawings each step before gluing parts together. So there you go. It's telling you here how to do it. See the yellow blobs? That's where you glue the parts together. Fantastic. Absolutely fantastic. You put some glue along here. Again, I would have suggested put a blob of glue or cement on a plastic sheet and then use a cocktail stick to go around the edges. Fantastic. Look at that. See, it's showing you here. There's part A. You've got the fuselage halves and you're basically gluing it together with the cockpit inside and telling you which colours to use to paint. So it's just saying C17, C14, and use paint 64 to paint them all in. Brilliant. There they are. They're doing the air intakes there. Fantastic. Showing you how where to put the glue even. What is this for that? This is what an instruction sheet should be when I was a kid. And there you go, just showing you where to put the glue. So you've got the fuselage together now and you're putting on the ailerons. There's the intakes. Then you're putting the wings together there. Fantastic. This is for the undercarriage up and you want to use the stand, I suppose. I suppose you can use a stand anyway, but there you go. That's for when you don't want to use the undercarriage. Here's the undercarriages, so it looks like it's in. So basically, it's 1, 2, 3 sections. So it's already made for you. Fantastic. Then you put your pilots in. You put your canopy on. Then you paint it, and then put your decals on. And then the stand looks like it goes in the arse end of it, which is fantastic. What a great set of instructions. Fantastic. Well done, Airfix. Well done. With that and with that, that's all you need. That's brilliant. That's chuffed to bits. That's what they needed to do. Brilliant. Brilliant work. Right, let's open up this kit. Let's have a see what's inside. So, in the kit, you get 1, 2, 3 sprues of parts plus 1 sprue with the canopy on. And it's quite a nice, large canopy. Very, very crisp. Look at that. Fantastic. Look at that. It's great. That's really, really good. Fantastic. So we'll start with obviously frame A, and that's it. 2 fuselage halves there. Pretty smart. Look at the way you can see that in there. Can you see that? You know that the cockpit area is just going to fit in there. Smush. It really is going to look at that. Fantastic. Really, really nice. There's number A. Frame B. Basically, you've got the wings there, side under the middle part of the wings, and then you have the air intakes there. So it's all like with 2 chunky, looks like location pins there. So everything's bigger and bolder, so it should be easy to fit. So there's number, the detail on it as well. Some nice detail as well on the actual kit. See that? Nice detail. Just quickly go back to the fuselage and show you that the detail on that as well. Nice little bit of detail there. So there you use that one. And then on Sprue C, there you have this silhouette. I thought this would be black, but I suppose you can paint it black. So you can see that. You've got the Airfix there. Nice touch there. See it? Nice touch. Nice touch. But you can see you can paint it black. There's your cockpit area there. Not too much detail. And it looks like there you go. There is the undercarriage there, and it's all one piece. All one piece spot. No having to glue the wheels in separate or nothing. And there's your front wheel there. Some detail on it. Do you know what? You're not going to go wrong building this kit. And hopefully, the only thing is, though, you'd want all kits to look like this, wouldn't you? Nice and easy to build. Really, really good effort, that one. That's how it's designed. As I said, big, chunky location pins there. You know, you can't fault that. You really can't. And especially while you have a before you start guide and even telling you where to put the cement, I think that's a winner there for anyone who wants to start model kit building. It's a really, really good place to start. Fair play to you, Airfix. Fair play. Thank you very much for watching. If you liked the video, click like. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe and ring that bell to be notified on any new videos. Any questions, any comments, put them in the box below and I do reply. And I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.